Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to fix Facebook messages not sending message. So let's get started. If you open up Messenger and you can't send any message, so I show you 3 ways how you can fix it. First way, check your internet. You open up Chrome or Safari, then write on Google search speed test, open first link speed test and check your now speed test internet. So if you have 2 or 10 megabytes per second, that means with your internet all is fine. So second way, check issue on Facebook. Second, check if Messenger Facebook is down. You write on Google search is Facebook Messenger down, tap on first link and you will see when Facebook Messenger is down. As you can see here, Facebook message out report in the last 24 hours. This means now Facebook working and you don't need to worry about that your Messenger Facebook app is have a trouble on server. So next step, you can check your Wi-Fi connection. If you have issue and not can send any message on Messenger Facebook, you just try disable your Wi-Fi connection, and that means maybe your cellular data is working pretty well and faster than your Wi-Fi connection. So you just disable your Wi-Fi connection. Last way how you can fix it, open up settings, go to general, open up iPhone storage on Android device, like something that you just open up apps, clear cache on your Messenger app. So we just scroll down and find Messenger app. Here is it Messenger, then tap on Messenger and upload app, confirm it, tap on upload app, and of course reinstall app. That means you clear all files, installing files on your Messenger, and this can fix your messages. On Android device same, you just clear all cache. And last ways you can do, you just reinstall app. You just delete your Messenger app, open up App Store or Google Play Market, find on search Messenger, and again install it to your device. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.